Imagine a computer so small it fits in your hand, yet powerful enough to run AI workloads, manage 4 displays, and handle your entire office setup. Sounds impossible? Well, it isn't. Today, we're testing the Asus ExpertCenter PN54, a mini PC that claims to combine modern Ryzen AI power with compact efficiency. But here's the question. Can this tiny machine really replace your office desktop? Stick around, because the results might surprise you. Mini PCs have become essential tools for modern businesses, and the PN54 is Asus's latest contender in this fast-growing market. Inside, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 8350, a chip built on the Zen 5 architecture. That means you're not just getting CPU and GPU performance, but also an integrated NPU designed to accelerate AI-driven workflows. Paired with DDR5 RAM and PCIe SSDs, the performance in everyday tasks feels seamless, and in our benchmarks, it easily kept up with much larger systems. Connectivity is another standout. This little box can run up to 4 displays simultaneously, thanks to modern ports like USB 4. That also means you can attach an external GPU for a big leap in 3D performance. On its own, the Radeon 860M is solid for office and light graphics work, but not for heavy 3D rendering. Still, the fact that expansion is even an option makes the PN54 surprisingly flexible. And then there's the design. Compact, durable, and easy to maintain. With a tool-free build, adding RAM or swapping SSDs takes just minutes. No screwdrivers, no hassle. Even the UEFI is feature-rich, giving IT teams plenty of control to fine-tune performance. Of course, no machine is perfect. The PN54 struggles with DPC latencies, which may be an issue for audio professionals. And while it's expandable with an eGPU, the integrated graphics are clearly meant for lighter workloads. So, can the Asus ExpertCenter PN54 replace a traditional office desktop? For most users, absolutely. It's compact, versatile, and future-ready, making it a powerful foundation for office work, home setups, and even AI-enhanced workflows. Just don't expect it to double as a high-end gaming rig without help from an external GPU. If you're looking for a space-saving system that doesn't cut corners on performance, the PN54 is worth a serious look. And if you want more deep-dive reviews of the latest tech, don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning of what's coming.